xTelliGent 2 it's like a next level event that pioneers the future of AI, especially in these GXP environments, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It sounds really exciting. Could you remind me what the previous event accomplished?
Right, so xTelliGent 1 was a huge success. Over 500 professionals from life sciences, pharma, biotech, and tech all coming together. There were talks by industry giants from XLM, Roche, SalesForce, and more, focusing on responsible AI in regulated settings and even agentic
Mm,
AI, you know?
yeah, that's impressive. Really impressive. And now xTelliGent 2 steps it up even further, doesn't it?
Exactly. It's the next chapter, a sort of evolution. This time around, the agenda dives into areas like agentic AI and intelligent agents, cognitive validation with CIV frameworks, cyber physical systems and digital twins, and even model interpretability plus ML governance.
Right? So, basically, it brings together all the heavy hitters in both innovation and compliance. How do you think these topics mesh together?
Well, it's like setting up an orchestra where every instrument, whether it's digital twins or intelligent validation, plays its part to hit that perfect note of compliance and innovation. It
Yeah,
really covers how AI can practically ensure GXP standards while pushing the boundaries of automation.
that's a neat analogy. But don't you think the mix of high-end tech and rigorous compliance might overwhelm some attendees?
I get that concern, but the event is designed to be interactive and accessible. They're, providing plenty of live demos, expert Q&A sessions, and even case studies from industry leaders that make these complex ideas more tangible.
Absolutely. Interesting. And the lineup of experts seems pretty star-studded. Names from XLM, Amgen, and even some trailblazers in digital transformation.
Exactly. It's not just about theory. They're offering real world applications like showcasing autonomous compliance systems and continuous intelligent validation. And let's not forget the sessions on training and change management for AI adoption. That's crucial given the rapid pace of change in the
Yep.
industry.
I like how they're addressing both the technical and the human elements. But honestly, don't you think there's a risk that too much focus on tech might sideline the regulatory challenges?
That's a fair point. However, the summit explicitly tackles this by highlighting model interpretability and ML governance, ensuring that innovation doesn't run ahead of compliance. It's a careful balancing act, and they seem adept
Right?
at managing it.
Sounds like a can't miss event for anyone involved in digital transformation in life sciences.
Absolutely, it's where innovation meets regulatory excellence. Whether you're from pharma, tech, or regulatory affairs, this is the place to see
Yeah.
how AI can change the game in GXP.
Well, I'm definitely looking forward to seeing how all these ideas come together at xTelliGent 2. Thanks for breaking it down.
Anytime, and here's to shaping a smarter, compliant future. Thanks for the chat.